Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to study the digital marketing concepts. Okay, so in this series, I'll be covering up all the concepts related to digital marketing and its aspects. Okay, so what is digital marketing here? Okay, so let's a pointer. So what is digital marketing? So digital marketing is nothing but it refers to the use of digital channels such as internet and social media platforms like Insta, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Okay, then search engines like Google, then email, for example Gmail or any other professional email, then mobile apps and any other digital technologies to promote products, services or brands. Okay, so basically in digital marketing what you do is with respect to traditional marketing, it differs. For example, a traditional marketing uses uh, it uses like pamphlets. For example, it uses pamphlets to market its brand or service. Okay, but in case of digital marketing we use digital channels. That means you need not be there every time to present your marketing strategies. You can present it in a ways like videos, then some kind of intros, then digitally reaching out like website. Okay, or then emails, etc. Okay, so you can handle it digitally with your brand or the product or the service and market it in order to increase your business growth. Okay, so it encompasses a wide range of marketing activities that are carried out online. So basically Flipkart, as you can see, so you know about digital marketing but you are unaware of it. Okay, that's all. For example, Flipkart, basically it's an online store where you can buy anything, right? Then there is Amazon also, but it also acts as a grocery store where you can get all the groceries irrespective of like the traditional grocery store where you yourself go and visit there. Okay, but in case of Flipkart and Amazon, you get it delivered at your doorstep, right? So that is the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. Okay, and then engage with the target audience. So basically here the term target audience is very important because in case of digital marketing you want the customers who are ready to buy your product or the service, right? You don't want to target the customers who is not interested. Okay, so marketing involves like some budget. That means you spend some amount of money in order to market to grow your business. So if you target the audience or the customer base which is irrelevant to your business, then all your money will be in vain. So with respect to that, we will study the strategies how we can market the product and reach our target audience. Okay, so it leverages various strategies and tactics to drive brand awareness, then generate leads. So leads are nothing but suppose you're working in a call center for selling a Byju's product. So basically there will be a lead from your manager that so and so party is interested to buy the Byju's product. So what your role be in that, what your role be there is like you pitch the details of Byju's product and you convert those leads into your permanent customer base. That means you will sell the product to this leads. Okay, and then increase website traffic. That means if you are working on a website and you are posting blogs or articles with respect to a link which directs to a product that is described in the article, and if customer is interested then he or she can buy the product if they find out the article interesting. Okay, so in this way the website traffic can be increased here and ultimately achieve the business goals. Okay, so basically if you are thinking of running a business, then you want to know about the digital marketing. Okay, so it's a very important concept because if you want to grow the business in today's world, digital marketing is a good approach to increase your business. Okay, because nowadays like everyone is on social media and you can engage your customers there to increase your target audience. Okay, and sell your product. So moving on, so first concept about digital marketing is user research. Okay, so in user research there will be surveys, then user interviews and contextual inquiry. So what are surveys here? So Basically you get a feedback from a customer here. That means if you have sold, for example, reviews in case of Amazon or Flipkart product, there you will see the reviews, right? So basically in the end it will ask you how was the product. So that is basically a survey. So with the basics of surveys, types of surveys, the process of surveys or conducting surveys, and formulating survey questions and analyzing the data collected through surveys. So you will understand how your customer is thinking through surveys, okay? Then user interviews involves one-on-one interview, or it may be some other case, okay? So the basics of interviews, the process of conducting interviews, the do's and don'ts to remember, then formulating interview questions and analyzing the data collected through interviews, okay? And the last is contextual inquiry. So the basics of contextual inquiry, it is the process of conducting contextual inquiry, how it is conducted in the industry and demonstration of it, okay? So we'll study one by one this, okay? So first is surveys. So what are surveys? So they are a common method of user research, and a survey is typically comprises of series of questions, okay, with structured answers that mainly provide quantitative data. That means either there will be a rating from like 1 to 10, or you can say good, bad, very good, very bad, something like that, okay, and provide quantitative data on users' opinions, such as what users like or disliked about the product, okay. So that are surveys. So this is a pretty much image of a survey. That means you can tick mark this and you can submit, okay. It can be like this also, like you can select one and then you can submit. So then there are types of surveys here. So basically there are three types: market research, then customer satisfaction survey, and net promoter score, okay. So market research survey is, it helps you understand the environment in which your product operates. For example, you are working in finance, so basically your research deals with the finance, okay, and the customer details of, or the customer interest in the finance field, okay. So figure out the pricing for a new product and ways to improve customer retention. So customer retention is nothing but, for example, I am uploading this video, so I want to retain the subscribers who are usually engaging with my content. That means I don't want to lose the customers or the audience which is interested in my videos. For example, I give a video which is very good, and then in the next attempt I did not meet the expectations of the customer, okay. That means customer loses your interest, okay, in a video or a product, something like that, okay. So you want to retain the customers every time you launch a product or optimize it, okay. So you want to understand this kind of questions with respect to market research survey. So next is customer satisfaction survey. So it serves to assess the efficiency of a product in the market and determine the areas that need improvement, okay. So what could have been done better, what could have been like, what you like the most, and something like that, okay. So that is customer satisfaction survey. So NPS is nothing but, it helps you check how likely users are to recommend your product to others, okay. So you can understand that directly, right? So the next is for conducting surveys, what all things you need. So first of all, you need the objective of the survey, like for what you want to survey, okay. And then you want to identify the target audience and calculate the sample size. So you cannot survey everyone, right? So with respect to the data analysis, there are two things. One is population and the other one is sample. So population is everything, and sample is a subset of the population. So basically you survey the sample audience, which can overall give you the answer with respect to the population, okay. That means you're it's like calculating the average or the median or the mode, okay. So this is the identify the target audience, then frame the questions you want to ask. So like what all things you want to ask, then carry out the survey and collect the data. So after surveying, you want to collect the data and then analyze the data and drive the insights, okay. So basically based on these insights, you can study your product and do the improvements, okay, according to the need. Then what are the types of questions you can ask in survey? So there can be categorical questions, so basically include yes or no, like MCQs. Then ordinal questions, such as questions that are used for elements that have proper order, and you can get counts and percentage to define this order. That means you can get the number like questions, okay. Then interval or ratio questions, it can be like Likert scale, like strongly agree or strongly disagree based on the scale or ranking scale. Okay. Then matrix questions, so it is a grid where multiple items can be rated on one scale. Okay. Then text box questions, this can be used to gather respondent specific data. Okay. So these are the types of surveys here. Okay, so this was all about that was the last slide, I guess. Okay, so we studied about surveys here. So in the next lecture we will study about user interviews. Okay, so hope you learned and understood something from this first video of digital marketing. Okay, so we will continue this series of digital marketing till we complete all the basic understanding and needs of digital marketing. Okay, so if you learned and understood something from this video, do hit that subscribe button. Until then, take care. Bye bye.